Why did you file 5 protective orders
7.
against Mr. Arroga's?
7.
7?
7.
All of which were denied, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And in California, I would have got it day 1.
Well, in Monaco, you might have gotten it in day 1, but you weren't filing there either, right? You were filing in Arizona.
The
They were
reason
denied.
I didn't get the order, the restraining order, is because he never hit me. He could harass me, he can stalk me, but because he never
All right, but
hit
let's
me.
say that's true. After the 3rd time you filed one and somebody told you you're not getting a protective order, why wasn't that the end of it? Why did you take him to court 4 more times when you knew you couldn't get one?
Because he kept harassing me. He would come to my house and not leave. He would go to my parents. He went to my...
There's a video of it out.
Oh, do we have a video?
Yes.
All right, let's watch the video.
No, my ex-boyfriend won't leave. I just want the restraining order left so we can get along. And this is not good.
I just want to get a couple things out of the house.
What?
Let me get them.
First. No, you come here.
I don't have
wasn't
to
here.
leave.
You took your father's ashes. You came here.
You don't
When I
know
wasn't
anything.
here.
You
Oh,
idea.
where's your father's ashes?
Don't touch me.
No, you're not getting past me. No way. Jessica, videotape this. You're not getting past me. I want my stuff back from your house.
I'm begging for him to give me my stuff back, and he won't.
Ms. Lomelin, you're suing Mr. Arrogas because actually you say that he stole your property.
Correct.
And you also say that you have valued that property at $5,000. And the way you valued it is by saying that you paid an extra $5,000 for the property when you purchased this model home. So that's what you're suing for. Now, you first met the defendant where?
It was online, and we met in at a place.
You mean you met on a dating app?
Yes.
And obviously, at some point, you felt that both of you were compatible.
Yes.
Mr. Arrogas, you moved in with her, and there came a point in time when the 2 of you agreed to buy another house. That's the model house.
Yes.
And you agreed that you were going to use the house that you owned in Arizona as a business
Yes.
together.
Right.
And you would share the profits?
Yes.
Did you put this in writing?
No.
Ms. Lomelin, the assets of the business consisted of the home that he had already owned in Arizona, and you claim furniture that you bought and placed in the Airbnb from the model home that you claim the defendant misappropriated, as well as other furniture.
Correct.
What's the other furniture?
The other furniture is bedding, entry table,
Where did that furniture come from?
from my house in Covina, West Covina.
Not from the model home.
It came from both.
And you claim that that's furniture that you owned outright.
Correct.
And that was your contribution
Correct.
to the Airbnb.
Correct.
And this is what we need you to prove, that you purchased and have a valuation for property that he allegedly misappropriated. Now, where is the property that's the subject of the issue in this case? Where is it now?
I have a table that came out of the model home. It's at the house that I'm.
It's in the Airbnb.
Yes.
Why
Oh, that
don't
is
you
so
give
not
that back
true.
to her?
I have money into most of this stuff.
You're saying
Show a penny that you
Please.
paid.
So you're saying that because it was part of the model home that both of you purchased together in a different
And then-
fashion,
We did not-
that
and
each of you has a half interest in that. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.